Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic.
Today's topic is this is an array 21, 13, 8, 19, 7, 4, 6 and adding of any two numbers matches with 25 then return true. That means suppose we can add these two numbers, any two numbers, the result should be 25. That means the 25 should be match. You can add any two numbers. You can take example 21 1 plus 4 is equal to 25. That means we need to display true. Why means here 25 is there. You need to add any two numbers that will match 25. Then only you can return the true. Otherwise, no need to return true. This is a program. This is a program in Java technology. We are using Java 8 versions. Now go to Eclipse. First I am creating one project. How to create project also I will explain. Go to files, new Java project. You can use Java project. Here give the project name. I am giving code example, code questions. I am giving code example. This is a project. No need to create, that's why I mentioned I'm not creating any. So just you can expand this one. Here src is, src means source folder. You can click this one, go to new, select class. You can create the class. Here we are creating package. I will tell package also how to create. Right click here, go to new. Here package is there. You can create package, give package name com.jst. This created package. Then you can create class. Class is checksum. I will put checksum. Now class is created. Now I will write the logic first. Main method, I will return the main method first. Main method, I will return the public. I will write static boolean. I will write boolean and check to sum. I am passing array int array and total value, some value. I am passing some value here. First I will complete logic and then you can go to main method. Return here, write arrays dot streams. We are using streams means arrays dot in that my this is array format. We need to convert streams format, arrays to streams. Then creating any match. Then here x arrow token, that means lambda expression. We are returning the lambda expression predicate as we are using. X arrow token. Again you need to write the arrays dot stream. Why again write the arrays means we need to iterate and add that value. That's why we need to write two times. That's why I am writing again. Here filtering. I am now here is filtering. Now I am filtering. What is filtering means y arrow token y not equal to x. Then any match. Now y arrow token x plus y equal to sum. This sum value we are mentioning. This is the logic. Now we need to call this one. Means we can write first. We need to write the arrays. That means we are copying here. We are copying the same value, same array value. I am copying. Int create array equal to, I am passing the same values. Int sum equal to 25. This one. Now boolean result equal to check two values. Here array, some we need to pass. Suppose here we need to display the result. Now we can run the application. Save and run the application. Right click, go to run method, go to run as, and click Java application. Then say, see the result, it will coming true. Suppose I will give 27. What will come? We can see 27 is there or not. 27 also is there. It will display. We can give 34. We can try 34 is coming or not. 34 also, I think 34 also come. You can try. You can check this one. 34 also. 34 also come. We can try 37. Now we can try 37 is coming or not. See, 37 is not there. That's why it will get false value. Like this. Like this we can do the example. This is for interview purpose also, asking this question. This is a mandatory question for interview purpose also. 12 years experience, 13 years experience persons also this type of questions will ask in Java developers. Yeah, that's why I explained this one. This is today's topic.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.